MBA at LUMS is not just a degree, it's a complete change in lifestyle.
Here at LUMS, I'm in a highly competitive environment. Here, all my peers are the best in their fields.
Because being a female, I wanted the kind of environment where I wasn't discriminated against. And I believe that LUMS gave me that sort of an environment.
No one is turned away because they cannot afford the education over here. If a person is deserving, LUMS makes it a point to provide financial assistance to them in any form available.
I wanted an education that helped me connect the numbers with the business realities that and I think LUMS MBA is an excellent program in giving you that.
The relationship between the faculty and the students complements the learning environment.
Our faculty is accessible, receptive, and prove to be good mentors. They have read at institutions like Stanford, Harvard, Yale, McGill.
The best thing of LUMS MBA program would be the diversity in the whole program. Like there are people representing so many areas of our country, and especially we have so many foreigners in our program which represents their countries and their culture. So many learning opportunities.
In the MBA program, we have a dedicated MBA placement office. What really sets it apart is that they find jobs according to our preferences, according to our sector, according to our company preferences.
Why LUMS? I chose LUMS for a couple of reasons. The very first reason was because in the region it's the best business school that you can actually go to. Other than that, their teaching methodology in which they actually bring real business problems into a class, they simulate that and put the student in a situation where you're required to make business decisions.
The case method is really a unique form of teaching. It's very unique to the business process. The case method is very unique for LUMS because we go through one of the most rigorous case method programs in the world. With exposure to over hundreds of cases, far beyond any of the top schools in the world, we get a lot of diverse experience from different ranges of subjects and materials and companies, which gives us a lot of breadth as well as depth in the approach towards solving people's business situations and problems. What I can see as a benefit from coming into this program and then applying this to a real world case situation when we're actually in the job in the field is that when we walk in there, we are prepared from day one, as opposed to people who will take some time to take their knowledge that they've gathered in a university environment and then apply it to a business case situation. So what we see in a classroom environment typically is a lot of preparation going into a real world case scenario, trying to help a company solve its problems from a perspective of a top line manager.
When it comes to facilities, LUMS is located in a very secure area of Lahore. We have discussion rooms, a library, dining center, and we also have sports complex in which there are a lot of sports available to the students, such as tennis, cricket, badminton. And we also have a mosque, a music room, power generating facility available here. We also have a radio service. And we're pretty close to the airport, and we have dorms available for both males and females. In essence, LUMS is a town in itself.
Baba yetu yetu liye mbinguni.
it's not just about education. We learned how to get more street smart. We learned how to do better networking. So I think that the extracurricular part of MBA is very strong as well.
For acquiring hands-on experience, there are like many societies, many clubs, especially leadership expeditions, synergies, LUMS Business Show and other speaker sessions which provided a lot of opportunities to acquire hands-on experience in network building and social development.
LUMS is one of the most prestigious institutions in Pakistan, and the rigorous environment over here really makes you a learning sponge and gives you an aura of self-confidence that you can be the best wherever you are.